This is the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Conditioner, for smoother, shiny hair. The Tresemme Keratin Smooth Conditioner makes your hair smoother and easier to style. It nourishes your hair and controls frizz for up to 3 days. It is infused with keratin and argan oil. It is suitable for natural and chemically treated hair types. The conditioner comes in a 340 ml bottle. This product is also available in combo options. To use, after shampooing, gently massage into your damp hair and comb through. Leave it for a few moments, then rinse thoroughly with water. Use the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Conditioner for smoother, shiny hair. For further information, visit the product detail page.